Hello Voiders, and today I'm going to be doing another challenge video for you today. And I haven't posted in forever, and yeah, so, I'm just going to fix my hair really quick, just do this a little bit, and then, yeah, so I have these MIO drops here. Now, it's the MIO drop challenge, so, yeah, I'm excited for this challenge. And what you pretty much do is, because this stuff is supposed to be really, really freaking sour, and, ooh, I'm already scringing. It's supposed to be really, really freaking sour, and you just put a bunch in your mouth and see how much you can take. And if this doesn't make me scringe as much, then I'm going to be like, this was a waste of time. So, yeah, just hopefully, let me fix my hair. Hopefully this goes well. So, yeah, so I guess I just go for it. I don't know how much you take. So, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh, what? Oh, dude. Oh my god. Oh. 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 That was the worst freaking challenge ever. Should I go again? I'm gonna do it again, just to see if I can swallow this time. I'm gonna do it again just to see if I can swallow it. I know this is the dumbest thing. I don't know why I'm doing this again, but yeah, I'm doing it again. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's hurting my jaw. Sourness is hurting my jaw. It's still on my finger. Now it's like super sweet. What the frick? This is never gonna come off now. Everybody at home, everybody at school's gonna be like, "Hey, what's wrong with your finger?" That was the worst freaking challenge. Should I go one more time? No, I'm not gonna go one more time. Forget that. Fix my hair again. But yeah, that was the MIO drops challenge, and I do not recommend ever doing this in your free time. So yeah, I have this on my face for like forever. I need to get it off. Yeah, I don't recommend ever doing this, and yeah, I guess void out.